Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take macro photos with Oppo Reno 8T. And to do this we'll need to open our camera, then go for the more. Here's a microscope which works kinda like macro, so we want to go for a 20 times zoom. You can try 40 if you like. I'm sticking with this one. Follow the instructions, so place your camera about 2 or 3 centimeters away from the object, and also this object needs to be in a light. You can't even see it right now, but let's try to take this macro photo. When you're ready, click on the shutter. And right here, we just made a macro photo of the logo right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.